Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix iOS 17 unable to download. As you know that iOS 17 is out now on September 18. Updating to the newest version of iOS is an important part of keeping your iPhone secure and up to date. As such, it is important to be aware of any potential issues when upgrading from iOS 16 to iOS 17. So if you're getting this error, I'm going to show you how you can fix this. There are several reasons why can't you download iOS 17. So the first reason is iPhone is unsupported by iOS 17. According to Apple official website, only certain devices are supported for iOS 17 update. If your device is not on the list or is older model than those listed, you cannot upgrade to iOS 17. So you can go to Apple website and check if your device is supported or not. Then the second reason is insufficient storage space on iPhone. If your device is supported for iOS 17 but cannot download iOS 17 on your iPhone, this is because you don't have storage on your iPhone. It may be necessary to take some steps to free up space. This can be done by deleting unnecessary files and apps you no longer use. Now let's move on to the solution if your iPhone is supported and you have enough storage. So the first step is restart your iPhone and try again. To update iOS 17, you have to restart your device. Restarting the device may resolve any issue if you can't get iOS 17. Simply you can go to your iPhone settings, then you can scroll down, click on General, scroll down and you will see this shutdown button. From here you can restart your iPhone and then you can go back to the software update section and try to download and see if the problem is resolved. So the problem is still there, then the reset network setting to fix the iOS 17 unable to download. If iOS 17 is unable to download, resetting network setting may be necessary to update the iPhone to iOS 17 successfully. This procedure can help resolve any issue with the existing network connection that might be preventing the phone from updating. So make sure that you have the Wi-Fi password before you do this, because it will remove the Wi-Fi password and VPN setting. Then go to General, click on Transfer Reset, and then click on Reset. Click on Reset Network Setting. Enter the passcode of your iPhone and you are done. So I had this issue, but I have successfully updated my iPhone to the iOS 17. And let me show you. So as you can see here. So hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.